called. You got a second interview.
Well, I can't believe it. I got a second interview.
Yes.
I bet that kiss isn't looking like such a mistake now, is it?
Can you cover for me? I just got an audition.
No, I'm leaving to get my hair dyed.
Really? I like your natural color.
All right, who you got it narrowed down to?
Okay. Elizabeth Hurley.
Ooh, very attractive.
So, and then when we were at the Christmas party, and then he got drunk, and he said to me, Rachel, I want to buy your baby.
Man! When you said it was a problem about your boss and the baby...
In English phrasal verbs we will learn the verb, get back. It means 1. To return to a place. Examples, I need to get back to the office by 1 o'clock. She couldn't wait to get back to bed. 2. To receive or return something previously borrowed. Examples, I just got my laptop back from the repair shop. Did you get those books back to the library on time? 3. To start doing something again. Examples, okay, everyone get back to work. Greg got back to exercising regularly after the holidays. 4. To move away from something or someone. Examples, everyone got back as soon as the building started to fall. The celebrity's bodyguard told the paparazzi to get back. Now, let's see how get back is used in real life.
And guess what? Good news. I got another job.
Great! Hey, all right. What is it?
I have to break up with Charlie?
Hey, you got one right.
You're crazy.
Crazy or romantic?
Oh, I gotta go to the flower store. Oh, check it out. No one will tell me where Emily is.
All I got is this melon stuff that Rachel left on me.
Okay.
It was getting me, and I got nauseous.
Well, maybe that's because soy burgers suck.
But there's got to be a way we can work past this, okay? I can't imagine my life without you,
Right, I've got to be off. See you. Bye-bye. You have got to take this back.
Now, why? I should have won one, and I really wanted it.
Look, you've got to do this yourself, okay? In person. At least you know.
Good point. I mean, till you got cut off. No, what's up with that girl?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.